District Court Judge. I graduated from UAB in 2002 with a degree in political science, and I graduated from Cumberland School of Law in 2005. I did not grow up in Chilton County. I grew up in Shelby County, just north of here, but I came here to practice law in 2005 when I graduated from law school. My first job was here with Mr. William Boggs, who I'm sure some of y'all remember. I had never been to Clanton before, except maybe for a football game in high school, and I quickly fell in love with this place. I bought a house about a month after I started practicing law here, and then about 2 years later, I met my husband, John, and we have chosen to stay here and raise our family here. John grew up here. His name's John Garrett, and he moved here when he was in about middle school or so. We have a 4-year-old son named Fitz, who's here with us tonight. During my 10 years of practicing law, I have focused a large portion of my practice on district court. I'm the only candidate who has held a contract with the juvenile court for 7 years, actually a little over 7 years now. And in that 7 years, I have represented nearly 300 families just under that contract, either as a guardian ad litem, which is attorney for children, or representing the parents in those cases when they find themselves before the court with a DHR case. That's not including the hundreds of clients that I've represented because I've been retained to represent them. I have represented clients in all areas of district court, including juvenile delinquency, dependency court, small claims court, misdemeanors, and traffic court in my over 10 years of practice. The judicial canons state that a judge should be fair and impartial. However, judges are people too. That can be difficult for people who have been born and raised and have deep roots in this community to remain fair and impartial in every case. That's not something you'll have to worry about if I'm elected as your next district court judge. I don't know everybody's family and their history and their grandparents and everybody else because I've only been here for 10 years. I promise to treat everybody who comes in front of me with dignity and respect, and promise to move my cases along as quickly as possible. I always appreciate judges who are on time and punctual and move their dockets along as an attorney, and I know the people who find themselves in court appreciate that as well. That's the last place most people want to be, is in the courtroom. I've been the Secretary of Children's Policy Council for the past 5 years. I'm on the board of the Kiwanis Club, and I have helped numerous children working as a certified guardian ad litem during my practice. I look forward to being able to help even more people if I'm elected as your next district court judge. I would love to do my part to make my home county, Chilton County, the best place in the state of Alabama. And I would appreciate your vote at the March 1st primary. Thank you.